not just a lift machine, it's an intelligent marvel of titanium and carbon fiber.
Before it flies, every piece begins here.
Initiate Phase 1, Dynamic Component Machining.
This is less than a tenth of a human hair. Flawless.
The hub is perfect, ready for assembly. It's a beautiful piece of lift, sir.
This is how we achieve precision surfaces, fit surfaces. Initiating diagnostic sequence. All systems are nominal.
Every connection must be perfect for optimal performance.
The oil pressure is stable. Everything looks good on the flow.
Emergency stop initiated. Checking all parameters now.
Securing the housing with precision. Every bolt matters.
The core assembly is complete, ready for transport.
Material delivery on schedule. Let's keep the line moving.
Automated welding for structural integrity. Maximum precision.
torque is set. Are you happy with the alignment?
Perfect. It has to be airtight.
Alignment looks good on the port side.
Confirmed. Proceed with the final descent.
A little to the left. Copy that, hold it steady. Keep it steady now. Almost there, just a bit more force. Let's get this surface perfectly clean. No dust allowed here. Aligning this perfectly is crucial for structural integrity.
This dry ice blasting gets every crevice clean. We need this floor spotless.
This drill is making quick work of it. Precision is key for these anchor points.
This mat will protect the cargo hold. Careful, it's heavy.
This layer needs to be perfectly smooth for the curing process. Every detail matters in composites.
The automated system ensures uniform pressure for optimal bonding. Technology truly enhances precision.
How's the alignment looking?
Looks good. Almost clear.
Integrity 100% flawless.
Lower the component carefully. Keep monitoring the weight.
Affirmative. Weight steady.
Careful placement is crucial here. Every fiber counts for structural integrity.
Hold it steady, aligning the starboard side now. Clear. Bring it back 3 millimeters. Look set. Securing this panel. Keep a close eye on the alignment.
All cables secured. Verify connections.
Connections verified. Proceeding with bundling.
This display needs to be perfectly aligned, secured, ready for system checks.
Initiating automated assembly sequence. System go.
Perfect fit. Just one more bolt.
Side stick input check, full left. Affirmative, sensor data is nominal, FBW is green.
Watch the clearance on the T408 housing.
Confirmed. Movement is steady.
The rotor blade installation is complete. Let's proceed with the next step.
Looks good, they're locking in.
Installing the sensor now. Precision is key.
The robotic painting ensures perfect coverage and efficiency.
The King Stallion is almost ready for its final tests.
Starting rotor spin test, all systems nominal.
All systems are showing optimal performance. Tracking and vibration data looks perfect.
Controls free and correct, taking the hover.
Stable, FBW is flawless.